Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the spring FabFitFun box. The spring box was just released. I've known about everything that's in this box for months now. I've been so excited to share it with you guys. This is like the best one they've ever came out with. Thanks to FabFitFun for partnering with me on this video, but of course all opinions on the box, impressions and everything are my own as always. So let's go ahead and dive right in, see what's in the spring box. So if you have never heard of FabFitFun before, basically it is a seasonal subscription box. It comes out 4 times a year, one for each season, and there are full-size fashion, beauty, lifestyle, fitness products, amazing products inside each box. They're $49.99. I do have a code, it's Alex10 to get you $10 off the box though, so it's really nice. And they're always over like a $200 value of like full-size products, so you get like a great deal. And they're like a bunch of different brands. Like sometimes it's brands that you've never heard of and are like fun to try and new, exciting. And then sometimes it's brands that like you're probably already obsessed with and you love or you've been wanting to try, or things that you already like. So it's like a great mix of things you've heard of and new things and all that. So let's go ahead and open it. I love the illustrations on this box too. Like all the palms, like look when you open it. Isn't that cute? Okay. Yes, this is exciting. So when you first open the box, it always comes with a magazine that kind of explains everything that's in there. This one is very exciting because I'm in the magazine this time. So if you watch our vlog channel, then you might know that I am partnering with FabFitFun and their makeup company-ish throughout the whole year this year. We have a lot of fun projects planned, but our first big launch was something that's actually in this box. So I already talked about it on the vlog channel, but just in case you haven't seen it, right here it says Alex Garza's step-by-step ombre lip look on page 4. I'll show you what it looks like. It is so cool. So when you open up to page 4, there's like a big picture of me. We went to LA and did like a big photo shoot where I shot the tutorial on how to do the ombre lips, and you might have seen it floating around like on Instagram and Facebook and stuff. And here's the picture of me holding the palette. That's what comes in the box. I didn't mention it yet. It's a lip palette, so I'll get to that in a second. But yeah, this is so cool. I've never been in like a magazine like this. And then here's like the tutorial of the ombre lip. Really cool. You also get a coupon code for HelloFresh, which I use like every month too. So here is the palette that I am helping promote with FabFitFun, and we're kind of like launching it together. So it's the Ish Lip Statement palette. It comes with 12 different like pots, but 11 of them are actual like lipsticks. Let me show you. So it comes with all the packaging. It's really nice. Ish is the like in-house makeup brand for FabFitFun. It stands for I'm Smoking Hot. So when you open it up, like I said, there's 12 pots in here. 11 of them are colored, so you get the nudes on top, the rose kind of natural shades in the middle, and the more of like statement colors on the bottom. And then this one here is a lip topper, so it's kind of like a clear gloss with some gold shimmer in there. So I've actually been using this palette since about October now. I really love it. The colors are very pigmented and very intense, but they're really like smooth and moisturizing on your lips. You can probably tell too that they're matte. There's like no shimmer. However, they're not like that drying matte consistency. They're more of like a cream formula when they go on your skin. They have rose, jojoba, shea, like aloe. They're just really nice, moisturizing, high quality lipsticks. They blend really well. So I love doing an ombre lip, and I actually wiped off most of my lipstick before I started filming so I could do it on camera. So let's see. First, I like to do a little bit of lip liner. Okay, I brought you closer so you could see as I do it. So I'm going to take this color here on the brush that comes with it, and I'm going to apply this on the outside edges. So on this corner, this, and this, and then lightly on like the bottom of my lip with the brush. Okay, 4 corners now underneath. And the very top, like where I applied the lip liner. So that's kind of like a rosy pink. Now I'm going to go in with this peachy nude at the top. Apply this to the center of the lips. You can see it's like super pigmented. And then use that same brush to blend it all together. It's going to give you this really pretty, springy, like bright pink lip that still looks like really natural. I love it. And as you guys can tell, it almost looks glossy, like it's super hydrating and moisturizing. which I love the most. Okay. So I love and use all the colors in the palette, but those two are like my favorites. They're my go-to that I use all the time. So I keep one of these in my purse. I have one up here. Now I have another one. I think I have like 6 or 7 total. But anyways, if you guys get the box, it will come in the box, but you can also buy this separately if you just want the palette. So since I've been working with them, I have known what's in this box and I've been so excited to dive in because there's one thing that I know I want to bring with me actually in my hospital bag. This. So you're probably thinking like, what the heck is this? And I was too, but this is so amazing. So basically it's just like a massage roller. So it's kind of like similar to like a foam roller, but you can use it like on your shoulders. You can use it like down your back, the other shoulder, on your legs, like after you went running or if you worked out or something. Like, amazing. This is gonna be great in my hospital bag. If I'm like stressed out, not feeling good, maybe I can use this to help me calm down like the littlest bit. But I think this will be really nice. Actually, I'm gonna like start using this at night before bed too, because my back has been getting so sore lately. And it comes in a couple colors. I got the purple one. I think it's like so pretty. So the brand on this is Physique 57. Okay, this next thing I also want to bring with me in my hospital bag. It's kind of funny that these all work out this way, but this is going to be great for travel too. So Free People did a collaboration with Understated Leather for the spring box. Look how cute this is. So it's just like a sleeping mask. It's an eye mask. It comes in a couple different colors. So I have the peach. I think there was like a mint or like a silver too as well. So this is just great like to bring with you on a plane if you're traveling and you kind of want to close your eyes and take a nap, but it's like bright everywhere else, or maybe if I'm in the hospital and it's like all the lights are on but I want to take a nap, something like that. This is just really cute and nice. So it's leather on the front and it has like the really pretty metallic silver and gold stars. So I just think this is like the cutest thing ever. Just like sitting on your nightstand, it would be really cute too. And it's actually like really heavy duty and like kind of weighted and nice. So I love that. Next up, they had the designer Rachel Pally create a couple different clutches for the FabFitFun box. And she has like a maternity line, I think. I wore one of the dresses for the photo shoot. I'll try to insert a picture here. It was like this beautiful orange wrap dress that looked great with the bump, and I wore it for the photo shoot. So I know in some of the boxes you actually get a clutch in that same print. Oh, I did actually. I didn't know that. So they come in a couple different colors, but I got the same one, the orange one. That's the same print as the dress that I wore. So, and I had that dress now, so they let me keep it so I could wear it with the dress and be really pretty. So it's just this nice orange kind of like canvas material and then this like leather material on the back. So you can have it like this, or you can fold it like that, wear it clutch style, or you can fold it the other way. So just a little bit of the mustard pops out at the bottom. Really cute. And then it has just like the gold zipper. And you can just toss all of your essentials in there. Oh, there's a pocket in there too. That's really nice. So you can do a little bit of organization. Next up, we have a candle from Anderson Lily. I thought the packaging on this was beautiful. So the scent I have is number 14, Super Bloom, with basil, tangerine, anise, violet, geranium, lily, jasmine, rose, rosewood, cashmere, musk. All those things sound heavenly and like so springy. So this candle is like absolutely beautiful. It's like gorgeous rose gold copper, and then the candle on the inside is white. It just smells like springy and fresh and clean with like a hint of like sweetness and floral to it, but not overwhelming. It's really nice. The next thing that you get in the box is from Murad. So you can get Murad like at Sephora or Ulta. So as you guys can tell, there's a good mix of different kind of brands in this box. We've all probably heard of Free People and Murad, but maybe the Rachel Pally is something new. Like, it's just kind of a good mix. And also there's always, this box is kind of cool because you can keep it all for yourself, or you could like gift something to a friend or to your mom or whatever, or gift the whole box to someone. Like, it'd be really cool. So there's a couple different things you can do with the box every time you get it, but this is from Murad. It's the Skin Perfecting Lotion. So this would be great to use in the daytime. Lightweight, I think it's oil-free. Yeah, lightweight, oil-free moisturizer, provides shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin. So I think all of the Murad products are really great if you have acne-prone skin. They're very lightweight. They're not gonna clog your pores or anything. So this is a good moisturizer for that. And you're also going to get a ridge filler polish from Dermalect. This is just great, kind of like an anti-aging nail treatment. It has peptides in it. So this is really great, especially if you do your nails at home. Next up, we have this little set from KNC Beauty. I've been super excited about this because I just love like pamper days, relaxing days at home where I do masks or anything like that. This is super cool. So I have actually tried something like this before and I loved it, but this one's from KNC Beauty and they're just these little like lip masks. So they actually look like this, like they look like lips, and you put them on your mask and let them sit for like 10 minutes and they kind of just like plump up your lips. They hydrate them. This one has collagen infused in it. It conditions, moisturizes, plumps, and hydrates. So I'm going to put one of these on tonight. These look so nice, especially right now if your lips are super dry. You're going to have this, you're going to have your palette, your lips are going to be looking good. So the other thing in the box is some jewelry. I love how they incorporate jewelry, and they told me how they wanted to start incorporating more dainty jewelry. They heard that a lot of their customers really want dainty jewelry, and that's what I love and wear every day too. So I was like, yeah, that's a great idea. So this is from Maya Brenner. And it's a really pretty little bracelet. It's silver and it says love. Mine's upside down, but I'll insert it close up. It's just a really pretty dainty silver everyday bracelet that says love. I think that's really pretty girly and feminine. And the last thing in the box is some body polish, just like an exfoliator from Dove in the scent Crushed Macadamia and Rice Milk. I use Dove body wash every day, so this will be great. Actually, I could add this. All these things I could add to my hospital bag. Like, I'm pretty much set. And that is everything in the box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the link below in the description box if you want to get FabFitFun. You can use that code ALEX10, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.